Hey guys, Greg coming to you with another one of my bonsai videos today. We're going to be going over the third of my lemon trees that I have. This one looks a little different, but they've all been looking really great as they've been growing. So let's get deeper into this, shall we? We're just going to look at the basic structure of this guy. Starting from the bottom, you can see that trunk is getting nice and thick. Some color changes from the initial green that it gets. We start going upward. We can see the first V already formed on this guy, which I'm kind of excited for. It saves me a little bit of work, and we'll end up probably trimming this at some point just to start over and to ramify and to help build the structure of this tree a little bit more as it keeps going. Don't see a whole lot of thorns on this one compared to the last two. I only really see one here right now, and oh, I lied. There's another one on the other side right there. But this guy is continuing to grow pretty well. The leaves are dark on the top, which is a good sign. And we also have new growth coming in here at the top. And this guy, you know, I think this might be the best one out of the batch so far, just in how it has been growing and kind of just doing the V's that you generally see in a tree. So this one's going to be, I think, a pretty strong competitor for the best lemon tree that I have. Now we do have a little bit of, I hate to say infestation because it's really not an infestation, but we do have what looks to be an egg sac here, which I'll have to take care of. And we do have a couple bugs down here kind of going. You can see my grass clippings from when I mow. They get everywhere, you know, that's just how it is. And look at this, we got a little buddy here, we got a little spider. Look, he's saying hi, everybody. He's saying hi. We'll call him Marv. Hopefully Marv stays with us for a while. Hey Marv. And takes care of all the bugs, which every once in a while you'll see some cobwebs and whatnot growing on the trees. That's just the spiders kind of helping out, especially when bugs start coming around. We're getting to that point in August now where I'm not seeing a whole lot of bugs going for the plants, so that's pretty good. Get a little close up there for you. But this guy's looking really good. I've actually noticed when I come out and water, we'll actually have bees now coming in, and you might be able to spot this, but in the dirt there's a little bit of a gap here. The bees have been coming in digging. I think getting some of the wood chips out of the dirt and also getting the water and moisture from this to help with their hives. So that's kind of cool and kind of neat to see. But this guy's going pretty strong. We're gonna call this Lemon C, just for documentation's sake, so that I can keep an eye on this. Still have a little bit of morning dew on it, not a whole lot, because it was damp and we had some rain the past couple days. So I think this is looking great. What do you guys think compared to my other ones? If you haven't seen them, go back to my channel and have a look at them. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts on these trees. Would love to hear from you. Would love to hear if you guys are doing anything yourself. These guys won't be growing lemons for a very long time because I'll be trimming them constantly, but in a few years, it'll pay off. So, like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. If you want to see anything in particular, if you want me to grow anything in particular, I'm always open to suggestions and putting something out there that you guys want to see. So until next time, guys, take care, and we'll see you on the flip side.